In this video, we will learn how to find the square roots of perfect squares. When we square a number, that means we are multiplying it by itself. For example, 4 squared equals 4 times 4, which equals 16. As previously mentioned, numbers like 16 are called perfect squares. Here are the first 15 perfect squares, which you will want to become familiar with. These probably look familiar from multiplication facts, like 9 times 9 equals 81, so 9 squared is 81. Now, once a number has been squared, how can we get back to the original number? In order to undo the operation of squaring, we can take the square root. When we take the square root of a number, we are finding the number which we can square in order to get the number under the radical sign. For example, the square root of 16 is 4 because 4 squared is 16. Here are the first 10 perfect squares again. If we take the square root of these numbers, then we will get the original number that was squared. Now you will want to be familiar with these square roots as well as the square roots of the next 5 perfect squares. So now that we understand what square roots and perfect squares are, let's work a few examples. Example 1. What is the square root of 49? To find the square root of 49, we ask ourselves, what number squared equals 49? 7 squared equals 49. So the square root of 49 is 7. Let's try another one. Example 2. What is the square root of 9? In order to determine the square root of 9, we need to find the number that equals 9 when squared. 3 squared equals 9, so the square root of 9 is 3. Example 3. What is the square root of 36? To find the square root of 36, we ask ourselves, what number squared equals 36? 6 squared equals 36, so the square root of 36 is 6. Example 4. What is the square root of 289? 289 may not be a perfect square number which we are familiar with, but we can guess and check to find the number that will equal 289 when squared. So we know that 15 squared is 225. Then if we square 16, we will get 256, which is too low, so we can try 17 squared. 17 squared equals 289. So the square root of 289 is 17. Let's try one more. What is the square root of 8,100? So we need to find the number that will equal 8,100 when squared. 8,100 is much bigger than any number we have seen thus far. But notice the perfect square number 81 within the number 8,100. We know that 9 squared is 81, so 90 squared equals 8,100. So the square root of 8,100 is 90.